This is what we are going to be expecting next on our Euro GBP. So first thing first, make sure you subscribe if you've not done that yet, so that once we drop more updates for you, you will not miss out on the updates. Now also follow the Telegram channel. You will find the link to the Telegram in the comment section. Now this is our trend on Euro GBP. You can clearly see that we are in a downtrend move. This is a massive sell, right? So massive sell-off on our Euro GBP. We are trending to the downside and not to the upside. Literally, it is trending to the downside. Right now, market is at a crucial level whereby when market was able to come to this level, we had a drop. Market was able to come to this level again. And, of course, in first breakouts, which made it drop massively. Now, market is now back to this level, and we will be expecting market to drop again. So, this is to tell you that for the day, we would also be expecting a bearish move on Euro GBP. So, Euro GBP should be giving us a bearish move, by the way. So, this was the movement of Friday. The market did give us a bearish move. Now on Monday, we will be expecting market to also drop and give us a bearish move. So a sell is what we will be expecting on our Euro GBP. So whatever you would want to be doing on Euro GBP, you would want to be looking for your sell setup. Now, if in case there's going to be any changes to this movement that we just predicted, I'll make sure I let you guys know about that. So in order for you not to miss out on that update, click on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comments, and also follow the Telegram channel. The link to the Telegram channel will be in the comment section.